Hi, I'm here at the Cable Next Gen conference, and I've got Herman with me. So Herman, this week Vecima introduced its Entra Virtual CMTS. Why now? Why Vecima? And how is it different than what's out there already?
Thank you. So we're very excited to introduce our Entra VCMTS to help operators drive their next generation broadband access networks. Entra VCMTS is part of our Entra Cloud platform of open, interoperable, and cloud-native applications. It's a great question about why now. So as we analyze the market, we believe that a strong and healthy Vecima could deliver a differentiated solution to the market. We really wanted to make sure that we have a strong and robust DOCSIS vendor ecosystem. When we looked at developing our platform, we developed it from the ground up, taking input from our diverse set of customers to drive a very open and scalable platform that fits everybody. At the end of the day, we wanted to build a virtual CMTS for the market that fit all operators. One key differentiator that we have with our VCMTS is that we developed it to make it very easy to transition from legacy CMTSs to a virtualized world. And so we believe that we can help customers really transition very quickly, very easily.
A big step, and that's a lot of the discussion here has been on making that transition. So that seems to be a big focus right now.
Absolutely.
Right. Now, Vecima, what does Vecima see ahead for the rollout of DOCSIS 4.0? We've been talking, that's been a big topic at this conference so far. And how are you helping support operators in this?
So with Cable Labs, we continue to be at the forefront of the DOCSIS 4.0 transition. We are collaborating and working very closely with cable operators as well as chip manufacturers to understand the needs of the market as we transition to DOCSIS 4.0. We've seen Comcast begin to deploy DOCSIS 4.0.
Yes.
We believe that many more cable operators are going to deploy DOCSIS 4.0 services in the near future, probably 2025 and beyond. And like I said, we're working very closely across the industry to determine what are the needs of the products to drive DOCSIS 4.0 services. We will support Turbo DOCSIS 3.1, which is basically a DOCSIS 4.0 cable modem in a DOCSIS 3.1 distributed architecture environment. Obviously, DOCSIS 4.0 services, and we're working diligently in our R&D and design right now to drive our RPD portfolio of DOCSIS 4.0 devices.
It seems like what I'm hearing is a lot of operators have very different timelines, very different strategies. So you must have to accommodate all these different plans for DOCSIS 4.0.
Absolutely. I think with the unified chip that was announced at SET last year, it allows us to bring a solution that can be flexible across different needs of the cable operators. Of course, as we talked about our Entra VCMTS, that will support also Turbo DOCSIS 3.1 and DOCSIS 4.0 combined with our RPDs and then driving the cable modems to be DOCSIS 4.0. So we will support
Flexibility seems to be the key here.
Absolutely.
Now, the Entra EXS 1610 all-PON shelf, that's kind of a mouthful, but I think I got it. It's now entering lab trials with operators. And what is the benefit to operators, and how can 10G EPON support their network evolution?
Yes, our EXS 1610 all-PON platform is a very flexible and compact solution. We support various PON standards from GPON to XGS-PON to 10 gig EPON. It's very flexible for operators. Like always, Vecima is very pro-open solutions. So we will have a multi-vendor interoperable ONT to match the two pieces, the OLT and the ONT. One key point about our 1610 platform is that it utilizes the same software as our market share leading SF4X remote OLT, another tongue twister. So it utilizes that same proven software. So when operators deploy the 1610, they know that it's ready from day one to scale.
Great. Now, Vecima also recently announced a U.S. manufacturing partner for its SF4X, and that's to support the Build America, Buy America program. So how is Vecima positioned to support operators who are building broadband networks to the underserved?
Yeah, with Merit Technologies manufacturing in Michigan, we're providing again, an SF4X solution, a remote OLT, to take advantage of the BEAD program and drive connectivity to all communities, to underserved and communities around the country. With the manufacturing of the SF4X in the US, we're allowing customers to really take advantage of that funding.
That BABA.
Yeah, the BABA BEAD funding.
Yeah.
And drive the broadband services across the country.
Great. Well, thank you so much for talking to me today.
Thank you so
Appreciate
much.
it.